Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then click on Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you wish to. When you're ready, tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!